Okay, now I don't know how many times I'll be making Mimu welcome messages, but trust me, this is new. First you need to invite Mimu bot. I am sure many of you already have that bot. If not, there will be an invite link in my video's description. Now, we need to give her some important perms, so, go to your server settings, click roles and select Mimu bot. Important thing here is, place that bot above your members or verify role. And make sure that she has admin perm. And, you can also create a welcomer ping role if you want, so members will be pinged when someone joins your server, of course, not all the members, only the ones who picked the welcomer role. Since all the housekeeping is out of the way, let's create a welcome message. I will show you what's new here. But first I am deleting my existing welcome message. Don't use complicated name for your embed. Keep it simple and easy to remember since we need that later in this video. Now I think most of you must be familiar with this. Let's just fill out the details in this box. You can use my welcome layout if you want. It's easy to use and very simple and aesthetic. Now I am pretty much just going to copy and paste everything since I have kept all the things ready. You should also have the same habit before creating anything like welcome or boost or leave message. It's super helpful, just keep things ready before you start. Now color code. Just copy and paste the code. Easy. If y'all wondering, Pixie, how you got the color code? Okay, chill and follow me. This is how you get it. Cool. Right? Now we will get other stuff done. Let's get the link for this thumbnail. Please make sure to follow me here. You don't have to do anything special, just paste the link in that box. You can add banner too if you want. Now we will just add edit author. User tag will add the member's username, I mean the person who joins your server. And user avatar is their profile picture. I will show you what's different here. These commands /set messages greet thingy and others will be replaced by new commands soon. These are the new commands. You will find them in the video's description. This command is super important, so please don't forget to use it. If you forgot the name of your welcome embed, you can copy it from here too. That's pretty handy. Now we will be adding a channel here. The command for this has also been changed. And as I mentioned before, you'll find all these commands in the video's description. Now test this and check if it works. And it does as always. It looks super pretty and cute. I hope your welcome message will be also just pretty as mine, if not then even prettier. It's always one way to increase your server's beauty and impress your members. And you want to know what else can enhance the beauty? Yes, server decors and layouts. Join my Discord server for cool decors. We got banners, dividers, GIF, PNG, and everything. As you can see, we also got categories for different things and some chat channels if you just want to hang out and make new friends. You can also join Mimu support server if you have any queries and whatnot. Ayera and her staff members are super helpful. In fact, she joined my server recently and offered me Lurimi's learner role. It's like beta tester. I was very happy about it. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to my channel.